Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another tutorial video today, and in today's video on app guide, I'm going to show you how you can log into your OfferUp app account. So for this, first of all, head over to the OfferUp app and then wait for a certain while until the processing is complete, and then you'll be directed towards a page where you'll be able to log into your account. So currently I'm just waiting for the app to load. So on the bottom right corner you can see the account section, so go to the account section, and as you go to the account section, now in order to sign up or to log in, you can either continue with Facebook, continue with Google, or continue with email, depending on what particular option you used in order to sign up to the account in the earlier times. So here, because I signed up with my email, I'm just going to tap on continue with email, and now I'll be displayed two options, that is either to sign up or log in. Because I've already created an account, I'm just going to tap on the login option. And after tapping on the login option, what I have to do is I'll have to enter my email address in this section and also enter my password in this section. After doing this, I have to tap on the login button on the bottom section, and eventually I'll get logged into my account. So logging into OfferUp is quite a simple process. It's going to take you less than a minute if you enter the correct credentials in a proper manner and follow the step-by-step instructions. I hope that this video has been useful to you. If you found this useful and logged into your own account by watching this video, do let us know in the comment section below. Also, make sure that you like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit that bell notification so that you are reminded every single time that app guides come up with a new tutorial video. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I'll see you around in the next video.